What would you do if you're asked to calculate the perimeter of a semicircle? Now, AB is a diameter, and this center O is the center of the circle. How would you calculate the perimeter of a semicircle? Let me tell you the mistake many students make. And they make the mistake from the area of a semicircle. What's the area of a circle? The area of a circle is what? Pi r squared. And the area of a semicircle, if you divide it by 2, this is a what? A semicircle. The area of a semicircle is half the area of a circle. So that's what? Pi r squared over 2. But students also make the same mistake because they know that the circumference or the perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. They simply say the perimeter of a semicircle will just be you dividing the perimeter by 2. And they say this is what? Pi r. But this is completely balderdash. See, we have two parts, the arc, right? And what? The diameter. So if you want to calculate the perimeter of a semicircle, you must add the length of the diameter and the length of the arc. If you don't do that, then it's wrong. So what is the length of this arc? Remember, it is half the circumference. What is the circumference of a circle? Is what? 2 pi r. See it here, 2 pi r. Let's use pi d because we are using the diameter rightly given to us. AB is 7 centimeters. So the circumference of a circle is pi d. But what about if it is from the semicircle? That's the arc of the semicircle. That's what? You divide it by 2. So the perimeter of this semicircle will be what? Pi d over 2 plus d. The pi d over 2 is coming from the arc. Remember, it is half the circumference. And then this d is coming from the word diameter and not just pi. If you use pi r as I did here, it will be wrong. You must add the diameter to half the circumference. That will now give you the perimeter of a semicircle. First of all, let me get rid of all this. So pi d, what's pi? Let's take 22 over 7 as pi times diameter is 7, as you can see here, over 2 plus diameter is 7. 7 cancels 7. 2 goes into 22 11 times. So what you have is what? 11 plus 7. And that's what? 18. So the perimeter of this semicircle is 18 centimeters. I'll see you in the next video.